How's it going, everybody? It's Zap Martin with the Martin Group. We're going to talk about what's going on this Saturday, March 11th at our home buyer workshop. We're going to cover a lot of things. Let me give you some of the things we're going to talk about. First-time homebuyer programs, urban league and black homebuyer programs, first responder programs on my police officers, firefighters, nurses, doctors. We're going to talk about USDA. They do more than just beef. They actually have lending programs for those purchasing in agricultural areas of the county. We're going to talk about short-term rentals and Airbnb. A lot of people hit me up about how that's working now. Foreclosures, I get questions about that. Fix and flip home investing for all of our investors out there, and how we can help you find and get you into off-market deals as a buyer. So if you're interested, hit us up 619-512-3301 this Saturday, March 11th at 10 a.m. But hit me up first. Don't just show up, because we need to make sure we save you a seat. Thanks. We'll talk to you soon.